Beautiful souls, amazing children of God, once again it is time to connect with our breath and give thanks. So in this consciousness, let us rise and shine and give God the glory. Let us glorify the Spirit that dwells within this body temple. Let us be appreciative for the over 40 trillion cells that are actively working together for us to be who and what we are in this form. So as we wake every morning and take that breath and realize that we are alive, let's be grateful and connect and say thank you, God. So in this consciousness, let us still our minds as we gently shift it into the heart space where we find peace, contentment, comfort. Breathe in source energy and out light energy and say thank God. Thank you, God. Best of Daily Inspiration, April 5th. Teamwork. Today, I will join with others to bring some good projects into fruition. I will remember that there is strength in teamwork. Man is not an island unto himself. I need others, and others need me. I am willing to be of service for good causes. Jesus the Christ called 12 disciples, and they were there to serve his cause. He needed them to serve. Sometimes we become too self-centered and concentrate too much on our own wants and needs to the exclusion of others. However, I realize that I am my brother's keeper, and I am a part of a winning team. My input is necessary for the completion of the project. I give gladly, quite aware that other persons share the same dreams as me. Serving our fellow man helps us each to develop the spirit of oneness, which is essential for our own development. I sincerely appreciate the oneness of all life, and I express love to all by servicing. Psalms 133, verse 1. Behold, how good and pleasant it is for brethren to dwell in unity. Lovely children of God, it is a beautiful thing to live in peace and unity. So as we ponder upon these words, let us reflect upon our deeds and let us see how we can service more. Let us see how we can upright our consciousness and shine that light within so everyone can see and emulate. I love you, I bless you, and I appreciate you.